Moments in History 110. John Hancock. John Hancock played a leading part in Massachusetts before, during, and after the Revolution. He was rich and possessed of a high social position. Therefore, when he championed the cause of the radicals, his words carried more weight than did the opinions of less eminent men. He was for revolt from the beginning, played a large part in winning the reluctant ones over to the Declaration of Independence, and later became the first governor of his state. Although his purse stood to profit by independence, commercial motives alone did not dictate his fight for liberty.